And this is our daily puzzle. How to solve it? And this is totally messy, right? And here the spooktacular jump scare. But what's this? Can't they take the king? This illegal. And why to move? Whatever puzzle is this even? I can't understand. Yet what's this? I can't understand. I'm but giving up a bit. Let's find. I think that this one. Oh, it's incorrect. Open scope. Launch this too. Hey, why not? Why not the? Oh, all the white ones are in the promotions. Oh, okay. Now I understood. So what to take? A bit. I think we should take a queen. No. Oh, only a queen. Oh, that's too wrong. Oh, what a knight, right? Hey, but now how can they save from the check? By beating that. Oh yeah, it's a bit too scare one. So what to do? Oh no, it's extremely. So I think something had happened over here. Totally mixed. What's that? I couldn't understand a bit. Oh no, they are over there, and the checkmate is in one more. What? I don't want a bit. Spooktacular jump scare. It's really a jump scare, right? Oh, white more, right? I thought yes. Oh, no, that's not the way. So we are going with the hint. This pawn to move, and it should be knight. Oh, we have to sacrifice a knight, and for that next we have to do something. Actually, we have to sacrifice another knight. No, what's this? It's totally messed up. Okay, knight. That's too wrong. What's happening over here? I can't understand a bit. It is getting messy. Bro, what's this? Should I take another hint? Spooktacular jump scare. What? It's eating my head over and over. What's that? And again hint. What? With this knight, it will go there and rook. No, oopsie. And here knight. How was that? Over here another knight. It will go there. Over here another knight. It will take off another here. No. Oh, now I got stuck. This is not the way. Oh, knight. Oh, queen or no. Knight. Oh, you will sacrifice another knight. Just a bit. What's that? I can understand a bit. Should we give check? No. Hint. Oh, pawn. Oh, pawn takes rook. Oh yeah. Again, it has messed up. Let me remember the things. First we should go over here. I forgot it this much early. What's wrong about this? I couldn't understand a bit. Utterly bitterly thing is this. Another hint. Take the rook, take the knight, gain something with knight. Knight. Again take a knight. It will go over there. I think you have to make. Oh no no no! Again, this is a knight, and now I am back to the position, but I'm feeling a little messy. So the thing we have to do is take a hint. Yeah, knight. It will come here. No 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 no. Yeah, knight. But what type of checkmate is this? Can't you see the position? Six knights are needed. And six knights are promoted from 8 pawns. What a puzzle is that? Truly a spectacular jump scare.